Don't have any snacks? Just open up your makeup bag and take out foundation sauce, condensed milk cream, jelly lipstick, and chocolate eyebrow gel. We have prepared new edible makeup ideas for you. Help yourself! Blackie is on a healthy diet. Her salads can win any cooking award. Finely chopped cucumbers, tomatoes, some pepper, and some foundation. Mix ketchup, mustard, and mayonnaise together. Pour the sauce into an empty foundation bottle. The blue-eyed girl ruined the whole recipe. Why would cucumbers need foundation? Their green skin tone is already neutral and even. Blackie is puzzled. Cucumber plus tomato plus foundation equals a great salad. My friend must be crazy. Eating foundation? Now this is an intense beauty diet. But the blue-eyed girl stuffs her face with the salad. Well, Blackie tries this foundation salad too. What if it's actually delicious? This tea is way too boring. There is not enough sugar in it. I need to make it special instead. Let's make it taste brighter with our blush. Sprinkle glazed nuts with cocoa and powdered sugar. Mix them so that the nuts are entirely covered with sweet chocolate powder. And put them into an empty blush jar. Sprinkle food pearl powder on top. Why would Blackie put blush into her mouth? Strange. This must be a new kind of delicacy. I try to apply this blush to my face, but my friend tells me not to waste the product. It's better to eat this blush with tea because it is made from delicious nuts. Unfortunately, we ran out of this exquisite blush way too fast. And there is a whole candy shop in my friend's makeup bag. Let's pick something out for my cookie. Crush blueberries in a mortar and sift them. Add condensed milk. Mix it and fill a small jar with the mixture. Decorate the cap with a picture of berries. This face cream will be excellent for your cookie. And you won't be hungry anymore. It's an amazing 2-in-1 product. It's a pity that all these beauty products disappear so quickly. And now there is only real makeup left in Blackie's makeup bag. Let's play the beauty game, Fun Tag. It burns calories, builds up your leg muscles, and makes your skin tone better. Except that you get really thirsty after it. Here we go, my Sprite. But my friend manages to snatch the bottle away. It's great that I've got a drinkable setting spray. Pour Sprite into an empty spray bottle and add food pearl powder to it. I always have my beauty bottle with me. I spray it right onto my tongue. The blue-eyed girl wants to try it too. Now my spray is more interesting than a regular bottle of Sprite. It's all about glitter. I have to wait an hour in order to take a normal selfie with my friend. She keeps fixing her makeup, smoothing her eyebrows, and doing her hair, but she's still not satisfied with the result. No way! Enough is enough! I'm not going to wait any longer. Cut off a piece of a bubblegum stick and twist it to make a thin strip. And insert it into an old retractable eyeliner. I offer a new eyeliner to Cindy. It's a retractable eyeliner with bubblegum to get you into the mood. Do you like this idea? But she is not excited. You can't apply bubblegum to your eyes. On the other hand, you will get a sad eye effect in all your selfies for sure. Ruthless Blackie decides to prank her friend. Let's see how it feels when you apply chocolate instead of makeup. We will need an empty eyeshadow palette. Take white and milk chocolate. Put each into different containers. Melt white chocolate in a double boiler separately. Fill a cell in the palette with it. Melt milk chocolate the same way, and melt the mixture of white and milk chocolate separately. Put it into the cell in the center, and put it somewhere cold to harden. The blue-eyed girl is ready to get all glammed up. First of all, foundation, then some contouring. But the product transfers really badly. It is probably old, it smells like chocolate flavoring, and it looks exactly like chocolate. Oh, I see! My friend has pranked me. I need a spoon for this contour palette, not a brush. I can eat the entire palette. And Blackie will be jealous of my chocolate makeup. The blue-eyed girl adores sweets. Chocolate, candies, cookies. This could be all she eats for the rest of her life. But Cindy wants to put her friend on the right track. Fruits and vegetables should be our best friends. The blue-eyed girl rejects all her friends' healthy offers. Then we will have to use our imagination. Cut 2 thin strips with slanted edges out of a bell pepper. Insert them into an empty lipstick tube. Close the cap. Cindy presents a new kind of lipstick, Veggie Temptation. Red, fresh, and healthy. The blue-eyed girl can't resist. She is ready to eat any vegetable if it looks this pretty. Beauty will save her healthy diet. What could possibly be better than cotton candy? Only a beauty prank on your friend. Put cotton candy into a beauty blender case. Spread the cotton candy over the case and close it. Cindy comes to the kitchen to do her makeup. Excellent! I just happen to have a beauty blender. It's so soft, pink, and sweet. But she isn't surprised at all when I bite off a piece of it. She's used to everything by now, especially when she also has something to surprise her friend with. It's a jelly lip balm. Clean an empty lipstick tube. Add water to a mixture of gelatin and colored jelly. Mix it and heat it up in a double boiler. Pour jelly into the lipstick tube. Add a flower. Screw the tube in and add more jelly. Put it somewhere cold. Wait for it to harden and screw the stick out, and dip it into hot water for a few seconds. This will make its shape more streamlined. I give my lipstick to my friend. Try it! You can easily bite it off. Jelly lipstick and a sweet beauty blender are great snacks while doing makeup, because beauty takes a lot of work and energy. My friend is having a sweet snack. I offer for her to define her brows right at the table. But the blue-eyed girl doesn't want to mix lunch and makeup. Then I will offer her my special chocolate eyebrow gel. Melt a few squares of dark chocolate and put the hot chocolate into an empty eyebrow gel pot. What's up, friend? Want to try doing chocolate eyebrows? This gel smells so good that the blue-eyed girl agrees right away. But she figures out soon that the gel doesn't just smell like chocolate, it tastes like a chocolate bar too. Now she can enter a Miss Sweet Brows contest. After all, the blue-eyed girl prefers chocolate in her mouth to chocolate on her eyebrows. The blue-eyed girl ate all the condensed milk. There isn't anything left even at the bottom of the package. But her friend has some hand cream. It will help her out. Cut open a hand cream tube and clean it. Pour condensed milk inside. And seal it with a flat iron. Cindy applies a lot of hand cream to a cookie. But the blue-eyed girl doesn't want to eat a dessert like this. But she's making a big mistake. Condensed milk hand cream and shortbread cookies are a match made in heaven, and it is so handy to use. One day, the blue-eyed girl will appreciate my genius invention. Did you like our delicious makeup ideas? Then write in the comments which beauty product you would like to eat. Pepper lipstick, cotton candy beauty blender, or will you treat your friend with a chocolate contouring palette? And don't forget to give a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click the bell so that you don't miss new edible beauty ideas on Troom Troom.